Exhibit B, Greek columns. Greek architects created the three orders or styles of columns. Those three depicted in the image below are the Doric, Ionic, and Corinthian orders. These styles are still common on many modern buildings, especially museums, libraries, and government buildings. Exhibit C, Parthenon. The magnificent temple on the Acropolis of Athens, known as Parthenon, was built between 447 and 432 BCE in the age of Pericles, and it was dedicated to the city's patron deity, god or goddess, Athena. The Acropolis was the center of the Athenian life, built on top of a hill in the city where the most important civic buildings were located. The Acropolis itself measures some 300 by 150 meters and is 70 meters high at its maximum. Marble from the nearby Mount Pentelicus was used for the building, and never before had so much marble been used in a Greek temple.